Hello, you guys. It is now at the top of the 1 o'clock hour, and I am giving you guys a job from Expert Technical Solutions. It's in Ithaca, New York. It's a remote position, and the job role will be Technical Support Generalist. It's $21 through $23 per hour, and the qualifications is customer service 1 year preferred, U.S. work authorization preferred, and the benefits on this job is on-the-job training. For the full job description for this position is Expert Technical Solutions is seeking a technical support generalist for one of our industry leading clients in Duluth, Georgia. This person will be responsible for analyzing, troubleshooting, and resolving customer issues and questions via phone, email, and other methods while maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction. This position remotely addresses and responds to customer inquiries on organizational products and services, including installation, operational functions, troubleshooting, maintenance, and general questions. This is a contract to hire job, remote, East Coast opportunity offering competitive salary and outstanding growth potential. Essential duties and responsibilities. Give support to end users by answering inbound communication via phone, email, and web portal. Documenting cases in the customer relationship management software. Working assigned cases, resolving and or escalating customer issues to keep the case moving through the support process. Connect with customers to provide and process information in response to inquiries, concerns, and responses about products and services. Diagnose, research, and resolve technical issues by gathering customers' information and determining the issue by evaluating and analyzing the symptoms sufficiently, documenting in the case the specific details of each issue and actions taken, including the steps to replicate the issue and the steps taken to resolve the issue. Accurately process and record customer interactions using computer and designated tracking software. Possess a basic understanding of the organization's products assigned, staying current with system information changes and updates, and escalate more complex inquiries. Work with senior resources, SMEs, to ensure any case needing escalation has appropriate documentation and detail to effectively transition the case without inconvenience to the customer. Handle interruptions well and move between tasks with ease while still meeting deadlines. Perform and support installation and upgrades of organization's products assigned as needed. Desire and skills and experience. High school diploma and willingness to learn through on-the-job training. College degree in business applications areas, computer science, or a related field desired. 1 year of related work experience required. Proven MS, SQL, server, or other database experience. Strong interpersonal communication skills, both verbal and written, and ability to remain calm and professional in all circumstances. Outstanding phone skills, which includes actively listening and developing effective questioning techniques to resolve issues. Knowledge of customer service principles and practices with previous customer service experience. Proven ability to quickly identify problems, forms, solutions, and execute step-by-step troubleshooting procedures. Familiarity with customer systems A+. Demonstrated desktop OS knowledge, PC and server. General virtualization knowledge. General knowledge of IIS and web services. Experience supporting mobile apps. Job type is a contract job, and the starting pay is $21 to $23 per hour. The scheduling is 8-hour shift, and the application question would be MS SQL, server, or other database experience. And the work location is remote, and they're hiring for 4 candidates for this role, and they're urgently hiring. They posted this job 2 days ago. So you guys jump on this job. It is open to you, and I hope you guys apply. And the second job will be from Concentrix. It's a social media support specialist job in Texas. Work at home. And this job is in this description is this job description is in this role you will be providing a high touch product support to users using social media platforms. Our social media support consultants support customers with navigation, best use cases, troubleshooting, and provide continuous improvement for our client. What's in it for you? Perks and pay. $20 per hour weekly wage with overnight shift differential and bonus opportunities. Equipment is provided through Concentrix. Comprehensive benefits include medical, dental, vision, and 401k plan savings plan. Endless career growth opportunities, employee rewards, and recognition programs. An exciting company atmosphere with a welcoming culture driven by diversity, inclusivity, and teamwork, wellness programs to help you maintain a better quality of life, employee discount programs, a day in the life of a Concentrix worker for social media support. Ensure all service delivered meets contractual key performance indicators, KPIs, clarify customer user requirements, of understanding, use, decision support tools, and resources to resolve customer issues that are non-standard, unstructured, and require some clarification or conceptual thinking. Maintain broad knowledge of customer and client products and or services. Troubleshooting time-sensitive issues, which can include campaigns, ads, and marketing. Research and correct issues with payments and payment sources. Ensure advertising campaigns are following all legal requirements, which may include the advertiser and organization type spend. Ensuring proactive and ongoing communication with users as the issue evolves throughout its case, and navigating internal stakeholder needs, both of the standard help desk and escalation help desk. And yes, they have the skills that you'll need to be successful with us. I'm going to scan through these, and I'm going to scan through the minimum requirements because I will post a link down below if you guys want to reread anything. Okay. Ability to maintain tracking of all communications through phone, email, and chat, as well as those communications with other internal support team members. Ability to self-diagnose and flag both common and abnormal issues and escalate when appropriate. Strong written and verbal communication skills. Ability to clearly document complex bugs and the steps to reproduce. Resolution mindset. Proven experience helping users navigate the client's online platform tools to a solution. And the minimum requirements, additional information, will you have to have a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year social media related experience required. Additional customer service, technical and call center and or sales experience preferred, able to rotate shifts as needed, flexibility for morning, evening, and possible night shifts. Strong computer navigation skills and PC knowledge. Skilled in multitasking, including the ability to be flexible and adapt to changes quickly. Acquire distraction-free location in your home to work. Completion of internet speed tests to ensure in-home internet speed meets our requirements will need to be submitted to determine eligibility. Equipment provided while working at home and is required to be returned if employment is ended. And this is an equal opportunity employer, Concentrix, and this is a full-time job position. And if you guys have any, email this job to anyone, any of your friends, anything. So apply now down here, or you can simply apply up here. So this job is Concentrix, and it's with and it's the job role is social media support specialist based in Texas, Austin, Texas to be exact. So this will be it for my video for the 1 o'clock hour, you guys. If you guys like my content, like and subscribe. Don't be shy, don't be bashful. Comment down below, and if you have gotten a job, and let me know if I've helped you out with a job search. That'll be great. I love talking to you guys. If you want to go ahead and speak and comment down below, you can. I am not a mean person. I love to speak with people. I love talking. I love socializing with people. So if you like this video, hit the notification bell so you can get more updates on my videos whenever I drop and upload a video onto my platform, onto my channel, Diamond Rose. And you guys have the best day, and diamonds, keep on shining, keep on going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You got this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.